Watching The Big Bang Theory has been fun for 12 seasons. We believe that the cast and crew had more fun to put up this show on TV for us. So here are some fun facts of The Big Bang Theory that you didn't know before. R-rated Sheldon. The Big Bang Theory had one unaired episode, and that had Amanda Walsh as Penny and showed a darker version of Sheldon Cooper. Sheldon once said, "You mess with the bull, you get the horns. I'm about to show this guy just how horny I can be." Sheldon in the unaired pilot had an enormous libido and bedroom appetite. He owned more adult magazines than Howard and once made out with a woman at a Star Trek convention. And Howard and Raj didn't exist. Thankfully, they didn't air that episode. The theme song Uncertainty. Lorre and Brady had attended one of the concerts of Bare Naked Ladies and were impressed by their performance. They told Ed Robertson to write a theme song for their show. Robertson has worked for TV shows many times but was cruelly rejected. He couldn't believe that someone wanted to work with him. Robertson was astonished yet suspicious and was like, "I got a couple of weeks off right now, and if you've asked Counting Crows and Jack Johnson and all these other people to write it, then I kinda don't want to waste my time on it." Later, he wrote The History of the Universe. A physics joke on air. The Big Bang Theory had astroparticle physicist and science consultant David Saltzberg on board since the beginning of the series. He used to attend the tapings of the show every week to ensure that all equations shown on the whiteboard were correct. During episode 9 of the first season, Sheldon had an argument with a scientist, and Penny asked him about the misunderstanding. Sheldon replies, "A little misunderstanding? Galileo and the Pope had a little misunderstanding." This joke was written by Saltzberg for Sheldon. The plagiarism vortex. During the third season of The Big Bang Theory, a pirated version of the show was aired on Belarus titled The Theorists. It was the story of 4 science nerds named Sheldon, Leo, Hovard, and Raj. There was also a blonde waitress, Natasha, next door. However, the theft was proven from their website photos and copycatted videos. Lorre said, "Each episode begins with a rapid-fire montage of images which takes us from the dawn of time to the present moment. Keeping with that theme, the montage is scored with what is probably the worst piece of recorded pop music since the dawn of time. And finally, each episode appears to be a Russian translation of a Big Bang Theory episode." The Bazinga Verity. Bazinga! Whenever Sheldon cracks a joke, he says the catchphrase Bazinga. Big Bang Theory writer Stephen Engel claimed that Bazinga is his version of saying gotcha. However, there is an actual bee called Euglossa bazinga and jellyfish called Bazinga riki. Bill Brady had once joked about Bazinga, saying, "Bees are Sheldon's third favorite flying creature."